Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. After 7 days, 6 or 7 days, I lost the truck. Because of this thing, I was able to finally, with the addition of the RavenEye here on the original spot, RavenEye instead of putting it somewhere else, and the addition of this small rig, around 92 grams I waited. So that was my thing. I just made it like this instead of, see, kind of make it like a little huggy, like a circle thing, and added the loop here, hook and loop, soft here, hard here, and then only then I was able to basically balance the thing. Otherwise it's just not possible. But with addition with this thing here, if I put it like here, I know it doesn't look professional and stuff, and you use this loop which is provided by the kit already, and make it tight around here. See, make it tight, make a loop around. Actually, I was able to secure it pretty nicely like this, so it's not gonna move, right? It's still pretty nice. Actually, maybe putting like this, there you go. So it's not gonna move, it's nice and soft, and only with this addition I was able to fully put the camera in the recording position, open this, make everything LCD, make everything ready, and perfectly balanced camcorder. AX7, Sony AX700. See, that's the old roll is good, tilt is good, depth is good. Anyway you put it, it's supposed to stay, right? Just because of addition that, and the RavenEye stays in the original position. So let's see and try to hook it up completely, right? Go to DJI Ronin app, connect to Raven. I literally tried everything. Oh yeah, we need to turn it off, on actually. We need to turn it on here. So it is on now, trying to go to the connection stuff. Okay. Now, okay, connect. And it's trying to connect. I even add this thing here. Everything is small rig, guys, and this guy is also from small rig. I used to put it here on top of this, right? So it's very good. Connect here. It's not connected. Why it's not connected? It shows it's working here. It's working blue, so it's trying to establish connection. Connect. It's gonna ask me for password. I press OK, and it's connected now. Voila, we're not gonna disable Bluetooth, and it's green now, so it works. It's green here, right? And it works. And as you can see, this is pretty good because to get out of this, okay. Dial speed. I wanted to talk about the dial speed. This thing here ring is a focus ring normally, right? But I have figured out it works with my camcorder. It works as a zoom button. Not now, but it used to work as a zoom button. What did I do wrong? Okay, cable is connected. Why it doesn't work? Let's see. Cables are connected on this side from the camera. Back, go to the RS. Right, and this thing goes here. That's on the charging spot of the RavenEye. RavenEye works. That's the battery of RavenEye. Let's try this maybe. Maybe shut this down first. And shut it off. Camera connected. Camera control connected. Now it works. See, that's the thing. Yeah, the Sony camera is kind of finicky. It has to be first the gimbal, then the Sony camera. Now it works. And that's talking about the dial speed. You can check here how it's nicely to see that on a nice screen. And the good thing about this Raven thing, I didn't know, that you can go like 200 meters and still do the, like a focus, not focus, but the full control, right? For example, that guy over there, oh my, a little bit too fast, let's go back. And now, focus, not focus, zoom. You can zoom very, very fast, like basically here. Right? So instead of going that step by step kind of slow, I figure out it's better to go to the dial setting, dial speed, and bump it to 1995 instead of going like 20. Then you have to press C. You have to press very, very slow. Record it here too. Guy, this one you have to go like slow, 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 slow. By changing this dial guy here, dial speed to 90. I think 90 is good. And going back, now see, my zoom speed can go like one movement almost to the maximum, and then you can go like completely out. It's going very fast, and you still can control it if you want to go slowly. Like you can go slowly, and you can do the joystick smoothness or dial speed smoothness. You can play it, but then now it works completely. So now you can press button and it stops because externally outputting to HDMI and records here, right? And you can press button or unzoom it, zoom it, unzoom it. And by pressing the record button, of course, it's gonna stop. By pressing the record button, it's gonna stop outputting to the LCD because it's outputting only to HDMI. But it's still nice, and the 60 millisecond is a latency, so only like slowness, like from time when it's recorded to the screen itself. It's only 60 milliseconds. That's very good. Plus, you can put it on the, I don't know. This is really nice setup, nice screen. This is not originally because it came with this thing, which is kind of short, right? This goes normally here, but when you put the tablet or cell phone, then by moving it like this around, see, it's gonna hit it. This arm is gonna hit my cell phone and break it. That's why I added this clamp for now, small rig clamp, and then I can control it a little bit better, like this, until I make a longer kind of way to it, right? Oh, I lost connection to my, because I was fumbling, playing around with this thing. So it's not ideally now, but it's still good, right? Still good, still works. And that's the thing, right? I just wanted to show you how you can make it work, but it takes hours, if not days in my case. But finally I did it. So I managed it. I managed to put the camcorder and everything nicely done. I like this thing. You go like, I'm still kind of learning, yeah. Go into the 3D roll, and then it goes like like this. Right? And then go back to normal position, open it up, and then you can watch it here, of course. So that's it for now. I'm just gonna kill everything up, remove this, kill it down, and want to show you the setup. Perfect setup. Now it's not working. Camera is still working because it's still recording, right? I need to cut it down. Yeah, it's still recording. So stop recording. Now it works. And one more time. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have a perfectly balanced camcorder. See, this is not balanced because it's supposed. I'm gonna shut this out down. 2. Put this antennas back. And you don't have to use it, of course. You can always remove it. But the thing, when you put it back, you need to balance it or rebalance it again. And this is not in balance, but as soon as you open this thing, come on, look at that. Look at this. So sensitive. Closed door, everything's all over. Open door, everything is in balance. Look at this. Zack, 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 zick, zack. Yeah, and that's with this guy open. If you close it, and it's not gonna hit on anything, right? And it's still perfectly balanced. Perfectly balanced. And that way you know, because any way you put your camera needs to be staying like that. That's about it. Okay, you have it. Finally, I finished my setup. Finally. But I need to just do a little bit nicer, so it's not like this, right? So find a way how to, how to put this way better. But small rig guys helped a lot, especially with the, that's original, right? Especially with this guy here. Without this guy here mounted, right? So it's not, nothing is in the way. Without this guy here, I wouldn't be able to mount it, and I would be able to mount it, but not to properly balance it. So now it is done, finally, and forever. I'm not gonna touch anything anymore. There you go. Bye bye. I know it's long. I'm obsessed. It took me too long because I have other stuff. I have radio control models. I have this. I have 2 kids we recently adopted. Our granddaughters now they are officially our daughters. And my wife is dealing with me best she can, right? The best she can. But basically, that's it. I'm just happy everything is working fine, and I'm just gonna show you one more time the limitation of this mount, right? It's okay now. Look, it's okay now. But as soon as you put it like closer one, you're gonna hit it. That's why they put that rubber piece. You're gonna hit it. Other than that, it should work better. Oh, great. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day for 15th times. Put everything back. Close the camera. shut it down, lock it, lock this one, lock this one. So nicer, like this. And that's it. Remove this guy here. Have a nice day. Bye bye. I'm sorry, it's too long. I'm getting crazy, but finally I got it. There you go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop it, stop it. Bye bye. Have a nice life. You can record a little bit back here. Okay, just a small addition. I just wanted to add the mistake I did. I switched this cable, right? This one. I put it over there. So let me just show. That's for my reference, future reference. This one on the bottom goes to here. So from the bottom, this one goes here. And then when you plug this one there, come on, then you get the message this, and then you get picture, right? And then you get a picture. So you swipe it, and then you take the picture like this, and then it follows you. See, the whole thing works as a following. You can do the same like by squeezing. So center the column where you want to do the, and then squeeze the trigger on the bottom. You squeeze it once, and then you get that circle. So you squeeze it twice, and it goes away. You squeeze it once, and then you get the green circle, and then it follows you. See? And you can go activate, or you can do the same like this. You can choose where you want to follow. So you can choose my face on the screen, and then it follows. See? So the whole thing is following. That's the thing. So go back. It is really hard to record with two cameras. You press it one to get out of this. So you press one to lock it, and you press one to get out of it. Or you choose where you want to look. Okay. You choose, and then you go look there, make selection, and you have a green spot, and then it just follows you. Goes up, there you go, goes up and follows you. It's pretty sexy. And to get rid of it, hey, I'm here. And then you just press on this green corner, and doesn't record anymore. And plus you can record here, I think. Is it recording? No. No, okay. You can just record here. And then, that's really finicky. Yeah. I think I have to record, turn on the camera first, and then, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, selfie mode, and just do selection, and it follows me like a puppet. And you press it again, doesn't work anymore. See? Now that works, but recording doesn't work. And my zoom button doesn't work. That's kind of fun. So I think I have to take this plug and plug it again. Then you get this message. Nope. That camera is connected. Nope. Yeah, still kind of working DJR. Not connected. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. So what's not connected? See, hit it again. 1, 2, 3. Come back. I really don't know what's going on. Let's try for beginning. Wait. When the zoom lens moves in or moves out, that means camera is off. Open it up. Open it up. Turn it on. Then turn this on. Camera control cable. Now it's connected. And then go into the Ronin app. See, now it's connected to the camera, and now we're gonna connect it to this guy here, blue. That means it's trying to establish connection. Connect. It's gonna ask us for password. It's green and it's connected. Good. Now it works, everything. Yeah, success finally. Finally success. Finally success. Yeah. Dial speed. What's the dial speed? Dial speed is 90. Smoothness. Dial speed, dial smoothness 25. 30. Let's see how that's gonna translate. Okay, it's not bad. Let's check on the original screen. How does it look? But the thing is, now it's not connected to the gimbal. Well, that's it. How can you do everything, but now you can record? See, now you record. That's external. That's external. And you have a screen, and you have a screen here, and records. And plus you can do this thing here, like with the RavenEye. So basically you cannot have both connected. You can. Now it stopped, and when I press this, and then when I press again, it's gonna show off. And this is to get rid of the picture, and this is to see, and this is to go back to the picture, sliding down. And zoom works, and record button works on the Raven screen, and even this thing works. No, it doesn't. Okay. Very, very strange. So I'm still learning. There's so much thing to learn about this thing. Well, yeah, you have to disconnect this in order to go to the other section. Now it's connected to device, right? DJI Ronin. Okay, understood, which I don't understand, but still understand. Balance test. Let's do the balance test. Begin test. Okay. Testing, but it's not connected. Why it's not working? That's confusing. And it's connected. See? Gimbal incline insufficient. Inclination. Okay. Now. Still doesn't work. Why is it not connected? That's funny. Very, 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 very funny. Let's try again. Get out of this everything. Close everything. Let's. Camera is on. Obviously. Control is connected. Now it's on. Okay. Now the gimbal is on. And yeah, we can do balance test now. Okay. Balance test. Now it's working. So it seems the camera is gimbal and the RavenEye cannot be connected at the same time or with the limitation. I still need to learn how, but I think that's the reason. So gimbal and the camera cannot be working at the same time. See, that's what's important. Balance test, excellent. Yeah, no, there is a picture. See, picture is here, and zoom works fine. See, record button works. Let's go back and connect it to the RavenEye. That works, that works, that works. Connect. Okay. And it's connected. Cancel. Now everything works. And record button works. And zoom works. And display works. Really everything. And even this thing works here. Let's go back 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Go back into this guy mode. Go zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, and check area you wanna do. And it works. Everything works now. See? It can work both times. Now everything works fine. RavenEye monitor system, video transmission is green, everything is green, everything works. See, hello, click, hello, click, follow, no one to follow me, okay, click, clicky, clicky, and follow, no, now. Yeah. Good. Well, that's it. And just for the end, I have to check this. Force Mobile. Okay? Enable Force Mobile. So if you go Enable Force Mobile, press it here. And what happens, this is really interesting. You go down, and the whole camera is just following. See, it's very strange. I guess it's very good. But anyway, if you go from that and put virtual joystick and enable a virtual joystick, then you can go with this joystick. Of course, you can go and control camera movements down, left, right, and of course you can do recording. You can do recording by pressing this button anytime you want. Right. Recording is going. Oh, I'm into that virtual mode. So yeah, Active Pro, focus control. I don't have focus motor. That's the only thing I didn't try. Yeah, it's the one thing I didn't try is that focus motor, because I don't have a, see, this is really crazy. So you go like this, and then you can easily control the whole thing, whole camera. And it still records. Let's stop the recording first. Bang, done. Then go out of this mode and go back to camera control. That's crazy. That's really crazy. But what really struck me as a very good stuff is the control you have. 1, 2, 3. Go back to selfie mode. It's the control you have on the far side. Like they say 200 meters, up to 200 meters. That's a lot. That's really a lot. Get rid of this. There you go. That's very good. Well, that's really it. Everything works now. Fine. Let's turn it around and finish this. Oh, I need to. Come on. Why doesn't want to go? Oh. Okay. I need to get rid of this following. Active following, whatever. I want to take this last shot. Yeah, this one nicely. Done. Good. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Long, but it's just something I love. And finally I did it. Finally, I just need to learn a little bit more, but that's it. Too long, I know. Bye bye.